Daily routines are a big part of everyday conversations. Whether you're introducing yourself, chatting with friends, or practicing English in class, talking about your daily activities is very useful. In this lesson, we'll go step by step through common routines from morning to night. You'll learn simple, natural phrases you can start using right away. By the end, you'll feel more confident talking about your everyday life in English. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with friends who are learning English. And leave a comment below telling us about your daily routine. We'd love to hear from you.
Hi Mark, how are you today?
Hi Anna, I'm good. A little tired. How about you?
Same here. Long day. Let's talk about daily routines today.
Good idea. Do you want to start?
Sure. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
That's early. What's the first thing you do?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and drink a glass of water.
Do you eat breakfast right away?
Not immediately. I do a little stretching first. Then I eat breakfast. Usually bread, eggs, and coffee.
Sounds healthy. I wake up later, around 7:30.
That's not too late. What do you do first?
I check my phone, then I shower. After that, I make breakfast. I usually eat cereal or toast.
Do you drink coffee too?
Yes, I can't start my day without it.
What time do you go to work?
Around 8:30, my office is close, so I walk.
That's nice. I take the bus. I leave at 8 o'clock because traffic is bad.
Do you listen to music on the bus?
Sometimes, but often I read a book or check emails.
Good use of time. When do you arrive at work?
Around 8:40. I work from 9 to 5. What about you?
Same, but sometimes I stay late.
What's the first thing you do at work?
I check my emails, then I make a to-do list.
Me too. I like to plan my day.
Do you have meetings every day?
Not every day. Usually 2 or 3 times a week. How about you?
I have at least one meeting every day, sometimes more. It can be tiring.
Yes, meetings take a lot of time.
Do you eat lunch at the office?
Yes, I bring food from home. Sometimes I eat out with coworkers.
I usually go to a cafe nearby. I like a sandwich and soup.
Do you take a long lunch break?
About 45 minutes, enough to relax.
Same. After lunch I feel sleepy though.
Me too. That's the hardest part of the day.
What time do you finish work?
Around 5:30, sometimes later.
I usually leave at 5. I don't like staying late.
Lucky you. How do you go home?
I take the bus again. It's crowded, but I listen to music.
I walk home. It takes 20 minutes. Good exercise.
What do you do when you get home?
I rest for a bit, then I cook dinner.
Do you cook every day?
Almost. Sometimes I order food when I'm too tired.
Same here. I cook 3 or 4 times a week. Other days I order takeout.
What do you usually cook?
Pasta, rice dishes, or salad. Simple food. You?
I like cooking chicken with vegetables. Easy and tasty.
After dinner, what do you do?
I watch TV or read. Sometimes I play games.
I usually watch a series online. Sometimes I call my family.
Do you exercise in the evening?
Not usually. I prefer morning stretching. You?
I sometimes go for a short run after work.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11:30, I try to sleep earlier, but it's hard.
Same. I usually sleep at 11. I need at least 7 hours.
Me too. Without enough sleep, I feel terrible the next day.
Exactly. Sleep is very important.
Do you do anything special on weekends?
Yes, on Saturdays I clean my apartment and go shopping. On Sundays, I meet friends or relax at home.
My weekends are similar. Saturday for chores, Sunday for rest. Sometimes I visit my parents.
That's nice. Do they live far?
Not far, about an hour away.
Good. Family time is important.
Do you like your daily routine?
Mostly yes, but sometimes it feels boring.
I feel the same. Work, home, sleep, repeat.
Yes, but a routine also keeps life organized.
True, a balance of routine and new activities is best.
Do you drink water often during the day?
Yes, I keep a bottle on my desk. It helps me stay awake.
Good habit. I forget sometimes. I drink more coffee than water.
Haha, same here. Coffee is my fuel.
Do you take short breaks at work?
Yes, every 2 hours, I stand up, stretch, or walk a bit.
That's healthy. I try to go outside for a short walk after lunch.
Fresh air really helps.
Do you check social media during work?
Sometimes, but not too much. It can be distracting.
True. I check it during breaks only.
Smart, otherwise, time flies too quickly.
Do you prefer working in the morning or afternoon?
Morning, my brain is fresher. You?
Same. I feel sleepy in the afternoon.
Me too. I need tea or a snack to stay focused.
What do you usually snack on?
Fruit or nuts, sometimes cookies.
I like chocolate. It gives me quick energy.
But then you want more, right?
Exactly. It's hard to stop.
Ha ha, I know that feeling.
Do you plan your evenings or just go with the flow?
Usually I plan. I like knowing what I'll do.
I'm the opposite. I like to relax without a plan.
That's good too, more flexible.
Do you read before bed?
Sometimes, it helps me sleep.
I scroll my phone, but then I stay awake too long.
Yes, screens make it harder to sleep.
I want to change that habit.
Me too. Maybe we should read more books instead.
Do you prepare things for the next day at night?
Yes, I pack my bag and choose clothes. Saves time in the morning.
I should do that too. I rush in the morning.
Try it once. You'll feel less stressed.
Do you cook lunch for the next day in the evening?
Sometimes, but often I just decide in the morning.
I usually prepare at night. Otherwise, I forget.
That's smart, more organized.
Do you ever skip breakfast?
Rarely. I need it to start the day.
I agree. Without breakfast, I feel weak.
Same, breakfast is fuel.
Do you use an alarm clock or your phone to wake up?
My phone, but I press snooze too often.
Haha, me too. I set 2 alarms just in case.
Smart trick.
Do you like working from home sometimes?
Yes, but I get distracted. I focus better at the office.
Same here. At home, I start cleaning instead of working.
Ha ha, exactly. The dishes suddenly look more important than emails.
Do you listen to music while you work?
Sometimes, soft background music helps me concentrate.
I usually listen to instrumental music. Lyrics distract me.
Good idea, I'll try that.
Do you use a planner or an app for your schedule?
An app, it sends reminders. What about you?
I still use a paper notebook. Writing helps me remember.
That's nice, old school but effective.
Do you ever take naps during the day?
Rarely. If I nap, I can't sleep at night.
I take short naps on weekends. Just 20 minutes.
That sounds refreshing.
Do you drink tea as well as coffee?
Yes, in the afternoon, it's lighter than coffee.
I drink green tea sometimes. It feels healthy.
True, it's good for digestion too.
Do you ever exercise before work?
Only sometimes. I prefer after work.
I want to try yoga in the morning.
That would be a great start to the day.
Do you prepare a weekly plan or just daily?
Mostly daily, but I write important tasks for the week.
I prepare weekly goals. It helps me stay motivated.
That's smart. I should do that too.
Do you want to share routines again next week and compare progress?
Sure, that could keep us motivated.
Talking about routines makes me realize I should change a few habits.
Me too, small changes can make a big difference.
I'll try sleeping earlier and drinking more water.
Good plan. I'll try reading before bed instead of using my phone.
Let's check in next week and see if we improved.
Deal. A little accountability helps.
Thanks for the chat, Mark. It was fun.
Same here, Anna. I enjoyed it.
Okay, see you tomorrow at work.
See you. Have a good evening.